Chicken 65. Let's make this super popular and flavorful dish. Perfect as an appetizer, snack, or even as a side with naan or rice. Make it for Ramadan iftar. Start with 700 grams of boneless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. Add 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 5 curry leaves chopped. Add a pinch of red food color if you like. Mix it to combine. Marinate for at least 30 minutes. After that, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix it to combine. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the marinated chicken pieces one by one. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches if needed. Flip the chicken after a few seconds. Cook evenly on both sides. When it is light golden and crispy, take it out. Fry rest of the chicken. Set aside this fried chicken for the next step. In another pan, add 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of chopped garlic. Sauté until light golden. Add 20 curry leaves and 4 mild green chilies, cut into thin strips. Sauté for 30 seconds on medium flame. Add the chicken. Toss everything together for a minute on medium flame so the flavors combine beautifully. Take 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of water and whisk it. Add to the chicken. Stir on medium heat for 5 minutes. Now it's ready to dish out. Your crispy, spicy chicken 65 is ready to serve. Enjoy as it is or with the sides. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.